How does purple shampoo work on brown hair?
Hey there! Welcome to our video today, where we'll be diving into the fascinating topic of how purple shampoo works on brown hair. If you've ever wondered why people with brown hair use purple shampoo or how it actually works, you've come to the right place. Let's get started.
Understanding the basics.
To understand how purple shampoo works on brown hair, we first need to understand the science behind it. Purple shampoo is a specialized type of shampoo that contains purple pigments. These pigments are designed to counteract unwanted brassiness or yellow tones that can appear in brown hair, especially when exposed to factors like sunlight, heat styling, or the use of certain hair products.
The role of color theory.
Color theory plays a crucial role in how purple shampoo interacts with brown hair. Remember the color wheel you learned about in art class? Well, purple and yellow are complementary colors, meaning they sit opposite each other on the color wheel. When applied to brown hair, the purple pigments in the shampoo work to neutralize the yellow tones by canceling them out. This process is known as color correction.
How to use purple shampoo on brown hair.
Using purple shampoo on brown hair is quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve the best results. 1. Wet your hair thoroughly. 2. Apply a small amount of purple shampoo to your hands and work it into a lather. 3. Massage the shampoo into your hair, focusing on the areas where you notice the most brassiness or yellow tones. 4. Leave the shampoo on your hair for the recommended amount of time specified on the product packaging. This time can vary, so it's essential to follow the instructions provided. 5. Rinse your hair thoroughly, ensuring all the shampoo is washed out. 6. Follow up with a conditioner to keep your hair hydrated and nourished.
Frequency of use.
Now, you might be wondering how often you should use purple shampoo on your brown hair. Well, the frequency of use depends on several factors, including the level of brassiness in your hair and the desired results. As a general guideline, you can start by incorporating purple shampoo into your hair care routine once or twice a week. Adjust the frequency based on how your hair responds and the results you want to achieve. And that's a wrap on our video explaining how purple shampoo works on brown hair. We've learned that purple shampoo with its purple pigments helps neutralize and counteract brassiness or yellow tones in brown hair, thanks to color theory. Remember to follow the instructions for usage and adjust the frequency according to your hair's needs. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.